Here, I don't want to step out of the vehicle because I feel like I'm under arrest.
I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle. Listen, you either step out of the vehicle, I'm gonna break the glass.
Can you please have your watch commander show up?
Step.
Whoa!
Put your hands behind your back.
This traffic stop started because officers believed the driver was speeding, but what should have been a routine stop quickly turned into a standoff.
How you doing?
Roll out the window, dude.
Is there a reason why you guys are pulling me over?
Yeah, you were speeding.
I wasn't speeding.
Yes,
What's the emergency, sir?
I'm not rolling the window, sir. Like, we're not gonna play these games with you.
I'm not gonna play. I just want to know what the emergency is,
I'm saying you're
sir.
stopping for speeding.
I was not
Do you have
speeding.
a driver's license on you?
Here, I'll give you my information.
Yeah. You want probation or parole?
I'm gonna give you my information, sir. Hold on. I'm not committing any crime. I just want to know why do you guys have your emergency lights on? What's the emergency?
I just told you you're being stopped because you were speeding.
Are you recording this, please?
Yes, we are recording.
You are
Record
recording.
everything. License and registration, please.
Here's your information, sir.
The driver, Quinn Bass, refused to provide his identification and wouldn't get out of the vehicle when officers instructed him to do so. Instead, Bass repeatedly demanded to speak with a watch commander and insisted that he hadn't committed a crime.
I got you right here.
Hey, sir, I don't like you reaching around.
I'm
gonna have to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
Here, I don't want to step out of the vehicle because I feel like I'm under arrest.
I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle. Listen, you either step out of the vehicle, I'm gonna break the glass.
Can you please have your watch commander show up?
Step out of the vehicle.
I would like to have your watch commander show up, please, sir. Don't break my window.
I'm asking you right now.
Please, sir, don't break my window. I'm recording this for my own safety. I'm under arrest. Please do not break my window. I didn't commit a crime.
Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, I did not commit a crime. I will step out under arrest, please.
The officers continued explaining what they wanted him to do, but Bass wasn't cooperating. As the situation dragged on, officers warned him several times that they would break the driver's side window if he refused to exit. Bass still wouldn't move. The officers eventually gave him one final warning.
I'll step out of the arrest.
Please step out.
I will, please. Please do not hurt me. I'm fearful for my life, for my safety right now. You're scaring me.
I'm giving you 3 seconds, sir. If you don't step out of the vehicle now, I'm gonna break the glass and you're gonna get pulled out.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Sir, one.
I'm allowed to record.
One.
Sir. Whoa!
Yeah.
You're hurting me, sir. Please, I'm not resisting. Can you record? Please, somebody record! Somebody record this, please! Somebody record this! Somebody record this!
Relax.
Somebody record this!
I got
Somebody record this! Ow, yeah!
Relax.
I'm hurt.
When he continued refusing to comply, they smashed the driver's side window and reached inside the vehicle. Bass was then forcibly pulled out and taken into custody. Even after the confrontation, he maintained that he had done nothing wrong, but the situation had already gone far beyond a simple speeding stop.
I'm hurt.
Relax.
You don't have to hurt me. I'm complying. You're hurting me. I'm not complying.
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop fighting. I'm not resisting. I comply, sir. My elbow's broken. My elbow's broken.
Dude.
I comply, sir. I relax. I complied. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Go to the hospital. You're hurting me. Record this, please. Please record this. Please record this live. My name is Quinn Bass. Quinn Bass. My name is Q.Ali. More Scientists of America. Q.Ali.
6784. Can you start meditating the stamina, please?
Please, I'm hurting. I need medical attention. My elbow is broken.
Medical?
Please, buddy. I'm going in. All right? I promise I'm not. I comply with you.
I know.
I swear.
I got you guys' cameras. Yeah, we'll get you guys out right now. Okay, give us a second.
Have you started meditating?
Yeah.
Bass was ultimately arrested for resisting arrest. What began with officers pulling someone over for speeding ended with a broken car window, a physical removal from the vehicle, and an arrest, all because the driver refused to follow the officer's commands.